镜头来去英国，英国嘅齿科医生是真欠人。目前伫英国已经有1200万人在等健保提供较俗嘅医疗服务，因为伫遐私人嘅诊所费用是真贵，一般人根本就是开袂起，所以真侪英国人规气买飞机机票出国去看喙齿，安尼颠倒开好。
英国英国现在有人出国做医美，即卖连看齿科嘛流行去外国。一个55岁为英格兰东部来的帕克斯，最近就去土耳其的医术探宝种喙齿。
I am having one extraction and 2 dental implants done. The cost is approximately, well, it's less than 1/5 of the cost in the United Kingdom. My dentist in the UK quoted £5,000 for 2 dental implants, and here in Istanbul, for 2 dental implants and 1 extraction, it's £923. So, much cheaper.
是安怎看喙齿都要出国？英国的民众其实是高不离众的，主要原因之一是英国健保体系资金欠缺，真侪提供健保给付的齿科根本是了钱伫甲民众看喙齿，于是愈来愈侪齿科医师主动离职，齿科嘛愈来愈欠人。
But sadly, with the rise of inflation and various costs of delivering the service, the NHS fees now for the treatment do not cover the costs of actually delivering the care. So many of my colleagues are actually delivering care at a loss.
目前英国的民众想要去公立病院看喙齿，都要等1-2年，若无就要去几3的私人诊所，若无想要开冤枉钱，嘛无愿意排队的人，就会选择去土耳其、匈牙利、加罗马尼亚等等的国家去看喙齿。公视新闻，张惠斌编译。